Hey everyone! Welcome back to Milo's Kitchen. Today, we're not just making yummy food, we're gonna be scientists and chefs all rolled into one. That's right, we're making homemade pizza. Pizza may seem simple, but it's a fantastic dish to learn about different food groups and how they work together. We've got our carbohydrate base with the dough, which gives us energy. Then we have the protein power from the cheese, helping our bodies build strong muscles. Making your own pizza sauce is a fun experiment in chemistry. We'll use tomatoes, a touch of sugar to balance the acidity, and some herbs like oregano and basil. These herbs aren't just for flavor. They're full of antioxidants that keep our bodies healthy. As we simmer the sauce, watch how the flavors transform. Now comes the fun part, the dough. Kneading the dough is a great way to develop those hand muscles. Feel how the texture changes from sticky to smooth as we add flour. This is because gluten, a protein in wheat flour, develops and creates those delicious chewy pockets in our crust. Pizza is all about customization. You can choose your favorite toppings, from colorful veggies to savory meats. Each topping adds its own unique nutrients and flavors. Remember, a balanced pizza is a happy pizza. Finally, it's time for the grand finale, baking. As the pizza cooks in the oven, the cheese melts, the sauce bubbles, and the dough transforms into a golden masterpiece. This is where teamwork comes in. We all have to work together, the sauce, the cheese, the dough, to create the perfect pizza experience. So, you see, making pizza isn't just about delicious food. It's about learning about science, teamwork, and healthy eating. So grab your aprons, gather your ingredients, and get ready for a fun and educational pizza party in Milo's Kitchen.